A garden does not need a field. It does not need walls, or even a corner of the earth. Sometimes, all it needs is a little space to take root. A glass, a plant, a little soil, and time. This is an African violet, small enough to fit in your palm. So I wondered, can a garden live inside a glass? No drainage hole, no open ground, just a small world, contained. And perhaps, that is what a garden really is. Not a place, but a living space. A garden in your palm.